Animals can't talk, but if they could, what do you think they'd say? They'd say, please help us pass laws to protect us in places where there are none. They'd say, please make sure existing laws are enforced, because in many countries, they are not. They'd tell us that in many countries, it is impossible to find free veterinary care. They'd say when natural disasters strike, our homes are also destroyed. And they'd say unspeakable abuses still go on every day, undisclosed and even unnoticed. We all know that animals can't talk, but if they could, what do you think they'd say? They'd probably say, help, please, won't you help us? Lend your voice to the animals today. Join the Network for Animals and help, please. Thank you.